In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable advanced options here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this feature is actually for controller players only, so just keep that in mind. But essentially, once you're in Fortnite, go ahead and go up to your profile picture up in the top right, select it, and then go into your settings. And you need to find the controller tab on here. So go up to the top, select controller, and once you're in the controller tab, scroll down, and what you're looking for is the option that says use advanced options. Make sure that you tick it on just like so. If it's turned off, you're not going to see any of this. If you turn it on, you're going to see all of the advanced options. And as you can see, these are going to be all of the advanced options just like so. From here, you can go in and adjust all this extra stuff just like so. And then you'll also see even more stuff here. It's going to say advanced before if it is an advanced option setting. But essentially, go through, change all your stuff, hit apply, and you are good to go. The process really is as simple as that. That is how you can enable advanced options. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.